Could make it even a strong man better. Ni patia also the strong man, brother. Nkase no more ding guy ne cause a lot of traffic on highway no so was dropping your mouth to this a nightmare. Jobs a guy not to know you jobs get to our. My bet was a strong man, it seems on a medical no brother beef no underground no that's so beefy. While a strong man a timely intervention medical the bar no I bet drop maybe the share medical. Now say medical but say stop it and a strong man say flawless. And America started by a street code and what job near a woman a strong man so the share and there was a nightmare. Guy that can't send what you know. Now bear justice to the song. May introduce terms be highways in his own. They say no, say may react to you na me do baby. Na nipa no me won't say what 2 punch pa. And my friend say nipa no what boy kasakwa. Kasakwa wakwa kasarama we use the highway so we're used to it. So when I nipa no so we use the word play be a mature so what be anwensem. What be anwensem. These are terms me anyway no at a point you become used to it. Me how I use no system. After young run you the strong man was a nightmare. Young reaction anymore.
Nana, say.
Hey, to our boss, a Buochrome estate to Buochrome estate too. He's making it direct from the land in the American land.
Hey! What's your name?
And one of the American boys, Jinamuno.
Tabani music.
You make loss, I make profit.
So you make loss, I make profit. What you got to a strong shot.
Your favorite trap, I shall be pocket. You save your money in your piggy bank.
Hey, was your favorite rap and share a packet. But you're the guy, you know. I know why. Your favorite rapper share the packet.
I save my rap in my coffee. Buy my bass on my chain, Nike wear.
Or they say what basso. Would you share or share or Nike and they a boon or be a shame. It was a bar my basso on my chain, Nike wear.
Nigga got me feeling like a nightmare. We're soft and try, I'm a hardware.
So you're soft and trying and on a hardware into a boss software and hardware, no, brother. And when your best friend say, one beer and winsome.
Still looking fly in my nightwear. The hardware, homie, I pick. My brand when the boy near sick.
Or say what break on a phone at the beer, a strong man, or guy, or a sick, or rapper, or be a beer, or say, I didn't can emoji hunt. You need to come to terms with that strong be a key.
My sabofra one time in the wear, man. Trust me, homie, I spit.
Hey. Also, as a buffer, one time, no, the way, man. They trust me, I spit. I call out one the way, man, and more, I call ni ma. And more, I nipa ni ma, and once what the thing this user and the strong man's one of the way, as I call on them the way, man, once was spitting, seven or the banner one. When your friend is saying, Kasa, this is strong man.
When you feeling like you wanna beef me, that be the sign of your end time.
Oh, say, oh, Philly say, baby, what do you know? Film what you do now, so beef in America. Oh, so beef in Tiflo, that is the sign of your end time. And you're doing kasa.
When you get a chance to beef me, do your best, don't be a next time. Save the date.
Oh, so when you have opportunity to beef him, bring out your best because when you're careful when your opportunity be a BMT. My choice is America once this guy they to just America and your chance be feel on uncle ye. And I says my choice they are jabbing each other behind the scenes. Tiflo your chance be feel and my choice they are jabbing each other behind the scenes because Tiflo in the shy or next big thing in GH. And it was when you get a chance to beef me, brother. Use it wisely.
Dates. But Shasi, I want to rap and you know, from Quas and free me pitch.
So, Shasi, what a Ghana rap in your neck. I say, what two ama, what two hasi, no, ama, kweku smoke. Kweku smoke, papa church or near my be fine home review. Most what Shasi in your neck. The free page. When your friend say, wakwa, kasano, kasakwa.
2 years back, I was feeling like I was a pet, not a lion inside the cage.
I can't they are fast or they share the highest. My man come back next at you, guy that can say wow.
I was a pet, not a lion inside.
My man come back next year, the strong man, wow.
2 years back, I was feeling like I was a pet, not a lion inside the cage.
Was it 2 years ago? No, he was feeling like he was a pet. 2 years ago, he was with Success Music, and he's saying that now the lion is out of the cage. And the cage being what the share will be in the rap fraternity. What the share will be in the rap fraternity, the Kasakwan, Sakwa, the boy, maybe about Punano, there's a strong man, to be or spit because more I in him.
My life is sweet, I'm to decay. My boss is son, and I'll be detained.
What's in the life is sweet, never tooth decay. Guy, make me money on one line, be a breaking him home because I knew him like a sack one of those. What's in the lines is sweet because I'm a tooth decay. Yeah, just oh dear, dear, me was saying shit, you know, just on the lines, a dead or don't want to with my show saying this is from Bena Kasakwan.
Talk shit, turn it off the page, nigga cut the fake. I'm trying to make history.
So he's trying to make history.
National cake doesn't mean pastry. Venture now you go see your misery.
National cake, you know, just a pastry, so be a medibi, brother. No, it's from Kong. Or venture, you see your mystery.
Tell me one nigga will go fit me. Yo, I work my ass out, so now they cash out.
So tell him one nigga in the industry that can fit him, brother. Sarkodie is there. Tiflo says he's there, brother. Medical says he's there, brother. Tulenke, Nancy, or the young baby farm on so children or undertaker our industry. Tulenke says he's there, boy. But strong man from the American land says, who will go fit him? What two of my yapo no munira?
Shout, why do you know I'm a powerful? Don't throw stones, you living in glass house before.
What's what do you know? My pet a foul. Kasakwa.
Chineba, wait me my blackout on it. May your cabinet be
TV, I can't wait. Tihamame.
We punch in the back, wait me my blackout on it.
I said a punch in the back, it made my blackout. Of course, boxing money at me punchy. But on it, you know, a punch when you want to ever kind of say, I win some, word play, I win some, a guy, and I win his son. I win some, a strong man, I win his son. I said a punch in the back with me, my word play, or the same to a body money.
May your cabinet be hot, my unit, my emo, that unit.
Obey your cabinet, how I journey. Why your that journey? I win some 1 minute, son. Why your cabinet? Obey your that journey, obey how I journey. I'm getting Sam.
Yo, sign it, what's up, Benjamin? The rap happening. Obama,
sign on Sabajane, the raps were penny. I'm getting Sam. This is what we call rap music.
So I am found here at Target. Boys, you are going to find Tini Benjamin.
Tiamame.
Target. Boys, you are going to
TV or Hamame.
Obama, so I am found here at Target.
So Bema saw and found your target, brother. See, we are target and just a name on bed dinner. On Puru, dear number, then also Bema saw and found your target, baby. But my first me chest strong one, say, brother. You want 20 in your mid debut, how come now we are Bema is such a dear force you be a strong man. Gonna Kasa Kwan, I will Kasa Kwan.
Boys, you are going to find Tini Benjamin. Yes, you giant pencil or carry.
So, boys, you are going for what you bet you more medical, bra forward, never what you bet you.
On Hono Gary, so sorry, I just chuck it. Or we become a champion.
Was a guy don't want on war when it's when very busy. So,
pay them puppet. I just say, I'm a net profit. Your pen, you could a less cafe.
Tihamame.
And you could a less cafe.
Was he a penag, you could stand Nescafe? Go on, a strong man, why ready so bad down, go put a Nescafe. What hand and it threw out to the industry.
Open bro for press 1, the rap for 3 press 2.
Tihamame, open bro for 1 rap. 3 raps to a press 2.
Now to me, extra customer care will direct you to Ace Food. Can I
say X need the whole go? You can say Ace Food, Ace nature or be our expert, just a dear way and what I see into a job says, oh, the X need the just or more. The whole of it young, or more as unprophonic crying the hood, Ace Hood. This is strong man better.
Ain't I too good? Nightmare was what done industry and that journey or no boys. Nightmare.
guy this why a nightmare was street this so guy this why a nightmare wo ne nipa me so me huna boy no ne
Nightmare.
me nightmare nightmare Ghana strong man says nightmare wo no na ye
Croatia.
me be ba wo Croatia was a boys you know the American boys na shia sa no guy na manyo na family ro was a Croatia wo ba Johnny Croatia was go ba Ghana
Watching a car down for a crash him. For 17 years, let me cry fame.
I see a car till I'm go back near foul no guy on the second verse ni more do
Croatia. Watching a car down for a crash him. For 17
I see a car down for and go no crash him
years, let me cry fame. Or when you know and I'm cracking.
17 years no could have fame now be jina no could have cane where they were our ball rhyme or fame no could have cane shame your ball kasakwa and wasa de anwen seven flower this is music guy and a person watch the point say where he's taking the rap music and I saw Cody Mujina ye
bad verse watch out but me cry aim
bad verse no good than a child or aim
8 years back Ghana rocks with the video up to date still me control me ego
Davido and ego
me a fly chain eagle asante my house I be the new go shade one
or a fly say eagle meaning or cosro say eagle let me two cosro kese anwen sem
me punch back who I won't fit
punch your back so on fair
so what's my good boy and fan for how na me mercy you mention
what's my good boy and fan for no your mercy one tree mercy that you were born but there was one tree and what brabo me for good animal anwen sem strong man a boy anwen sem anwen sem
Brackweku, a trouble pen, no Bible.
Boys and he know when your knowledge way the free a
Kakeku, what I did my church or coma too.
Kakeku was who didn't chill where I was sewa kuma.
Hey, nightmare.
Nightmare. Oh no, na nipa wa mwana so be Johnny. Nightmare. Be Johnny. Croatia. This is Code Make It TV. I am on your highway as usual. Bet me follow my YouTube. Dino. Hey, the Code Make It TV. Say Miss Ma introduce terms B. Ebe foul. Chira say wa ball kasakwa. Wa yi punch bi ato hono no. Na masa chira say wa boy anwen sem. No chira say wa play on words. This is Strong Man. The title of the song is Nightmare. Thank you.